Replacing the rear wiper blade on a 2018 to 2021 GMC Terrain is a simple DIY task. This video will guide you through the process step by step. No tools are typically required, and the job should take about 10 to 15 minutes. First, confirm your Terrain's model year is between 2018 and 2021. The rear blade is usually 12 to 14 inches long. Park the vehicle on a flat surface, turn it off, and ensure the wiper arm is in the park position. Wearing gloves can help keep your hands clean. Replacement blades typically cost between $10 and $30 from auto parts stores or online retailers. Begin by lifting the wiper arm away from the rear window. There might be a tab or button to release the arm. Once lifted, press the release tab on the underside of the blade and slide the old blade off the arm. Inspect the arm for any damage or corrosion. To install the new blade, align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Push the new blade until it clicks securely into place. Gently lower the wiper arm back onto the glass. Finally, test the new wiper by activating the rear wiper function to ensure proper operation and cleaning of the window.